So this doesn't sit within a module specifically, it relates to the system as a whole. The first thing I want to talk about, virtually everyone in the room will be familiar with the viewer. It's fantastic fun. You can actually delete every piece of data in your system with a few basic SQL commands. You can dump the whole database, destroy everything. It's really cool. What we've decided to do is to give you the equivalent functionality as the viewer, but in a much safer way. This is all read-only. So here I've pasted in a query that you might have said to the support desk, this is what I'm looking to find. That was just a simple query that picks up the sales performance for the last 6 months and looks at my stock on hand and tells me how much turn of stock I've actually got available. Okay? Now we've got new reports in the system that do this as well. So there's in Dan's language at least, there's a really simple query. The dates, this query might be useful next month, but you might just want to change the time frames you're looking at. So you can see here we've got enough stock on hand until God returns, and other times we've got all sorts of troubles, etc., etc. Demo data. The purpose behind that is it's safe. If you don't have access to the payroll system, you cannot execute a query to look up how much the boss is getting paid. It's just not going to let you. Whereas in the viewer, if you know what you're doing, you can have all sorts of mischief and fun. So we're going to be basically encouraging our user base to move across to this, and we would also encourage you for ad hoc queries. I did one where I said, the boss walks up and says, I want to pick up every customer who spent more than 50 grand with us over the last 12 months, also bought that product, and they live in the eastern suburbs with a postcode range of 3280 right through to 3209. I can put that query together fairly quickly. Dan can do it very quickly. Paul can do it quickly. Email it back to you. Paste it in there. There's the answer for the boss on his ad hoc query. He walks away happy. He's got his numbers. Give it to him in his Excel sheet. Do what you will. It's got a clipboard button down the bottom. He's happy. You've got on with life. So we're going to be encouraging people with ad hoc inquiries to use that.